Hello and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another eBay bargain unboxing. This one I'll have to do handheld to start with because the box is a bit bigger, and as you can see is full of polystyrene chips. So I think I'm going to have to unbox this one off camera. So I'll get this out of the box and I'll be right back. I managed to get it out of the box. One thing I don't understand when people pack things using polystyrene chips is why do they put the item in the box and then pour the chips on top? Surely you need a layer of chips on the bottom as well, don't you? That's what I always do. Anyway, that's a minor niggle because there's nothing wrong with this. I'll show you the paperwork that's in the box. Yes, this is some American rolling stock we're looking at. I don't have many American locos and even less rolling stock for them to pull, so this seemed like a good deal. So you can see there I paid £20 plus £4.75 postage for a total of £24.75, and the eBay seller is someone I'm pretty sure I bought from at toy fairs, probably at the Birmingham one, Colcheth. I don't remember them, but I'm pretty sure I've seen them with stands at certain toy fairs, and yeah, I've had no problems with anything I bought from them before, which to be fair in a lot, but you know, they seem to have a big eBay presence though. Yeah, so I saw these on there. So what we're looking at is that set over there. It's a 3-car set from Walthers. These were described as new, I think, if I remember correctly. And what makes these a bargain is, apart from the fact they should be good quality wagons, which we'll check out in a minute, is the fact that they had about 8 to 10 different sets on eBay, all finishing around the same time, all like this Walthers sets. And this is the only one that sold with one bid on it, which was mine. All the others went for significantly more, which is either good because I got a bargain, or not so good because these are crap. But anyway, we're going to find out. Let's get the box over here and start to pull them out. So as you can see, this is a Walthers set, which as far as I know is a pretty good make. I've got a couple of Walthers locos and they are fantastic runners, from Milwaukee by the looks of it. Bachmann Easy Make couplers, hopefully that will couple to the loco I'm intending to use. And this is a 40-foot alternate aggregate car, 3-pack, Golden West. I don't know what most of that means. Presumably that number at the bottom is a model number. Yeah, so there's not a lot more to see there. So let's see if we can get something out. Let's see how they're packed. So I haven't opened this before, so they're all in separate boxes, which is good. Makes it a bit easier. So yeah, they all come in a separate box inside the outer. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we've got some paperwork. So Ortner 100-ton 3-bay aggregate car. Individual cars, series of 3. Most distinctive cars in service today. Okay. Limestone, iron ore, gravel, sand, anything else? Yeah, that makes sense. And there's a parts list. Yeah, there's obviously quite a lot to them. Looks like you can drill bits in to put something on them. Oh, grab irons, probably manually operated doors. I suspect they don't come with that. Yeah, it's quite a lot to these. Don't often get rolling stock with instructions, do you? And it looks like these have been nicely packed to make sure they stay there by Colcheth. Don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Apologies to you if I am getting it wrong. First thing I've got to say is these are heavy. Wow, and they look really nice. Yeah, all the printing is perfectly legible, look. Even printing on the bay doors. That plastic, might be plastic wheels. I can't really tell, to be honest. What it looks like. No, it's got metal axles. And you can see in the end there, it's all metal, but I think the wheels are plastic, which is a bit of a disappointment. Yeah, got those couplers. Let's have a look at the end. Yeah, brake wheel, a bit more printing. These are quite nice. I like this. It also comes with a load. That's a good looking load as well. Let's have a look at the other end. Yeah, nice rivet detail. Printing's excellent. And it's nice and heavy. I'll stick one on the balance in a minute. We'll just get another one out. Let's see how well it runs. Get the wheels on. Let's move this out of the way. Yeah, not too bad, considering the weight of it and the plastic wheels. I'll just move this rubbish out of the way and we'll have a look at the next one, but I suspect they're all going to be exactly the same. They should have. Oh, there's some more paperwork in here, hang on. Just found some more paperwork. No, it's just one of those. There's a date on them. Can you tell how old they are? No date. Oh, that was the only other bit of paperwork in there then. I wouldn't have thought each one of them has the same paperwork in. I'll just get lucky and open the first one with paperwork first, I guess. I'm just going to move this out of the way and we'll get the next one. So I'm guessing these are going to be the same. They're different. They are different running numbers though, which is always a good thing. Oh, I didn't see that. Load of extra parts. Wow, that's pretty cool. So I'm guessing this is going to be the same, just a different running number. Is it 637721? 637708, yeah, so different running numbers. Apart from that, exactly the same. Same load, I'm liking that load. Again, pretty heavy. Yeah, coupled up nicely, lovely. Right, last one. I don't think I have any Walthers rolling stock. I might have one odd wagon. Most of my American rolling stock is old Bachman and some lifelike stuff, which is okay. which is probably about the same quality as most of the Hornby stuff. So it's nice to get something that I'm guessing is a bit newer or a bit more detailed, at least. Yeah, this one's 637715. Again, it's the same load and all that. Yeah, I'm liking these very much. Oh, there's some coupler, spare couplers as well. I didn't see them fall out. Oh, that's good, because half of my US locos have horn hooks and half have this type, KD type. It's always nice to have a few spares. Right, I'll move the rest of this box and packaging away, and then we'll have a look at them all together. So there's all three of them together. I think they look pretty good. Yeah, I like them. Also, it gives me another excuse for running some US locos, which I like to do, but I don't have many US diesel types. They're mainly steam that I've got, including things like the Big Boy and Cab Forward and one or two others. But yeah, give me an excuse to run them. Anyway, I said these were heavy, so we're going to stick one on the scales here. If I can get it to keep still. There we go, that's 133 grams. See if I've got something similar Hornby wise. How about this? Just to give us a comparison. I know there's no load with this at all. So that was 133 grams. That one's just 55. Well, you know what they say, weight isn't everything. Or is that size? Can't remember. So what we're going to do is I'll put these all together. And if I can get it on the track. Which I don't think I can, because I'm being a bit of a thickie. Right, there we go. And then we will introduce today's motive power. So today's motive power is going to be my one and only Cheapo engine, which is an EMD NW2 phase 1, just so you know. To me it's a rather nice diesel shunter. This, see, I'll pick this up for 40 quid or less, I can't remember. And if you're interested, it's a 37 1009 Santa Fe, number 2406. And it is a Cheapo. It's the only Cheapo I've got, and it's a fantastic runner. It really is nice. So I've got him over here, so let's bring him into the picture and hopefully do a nice coupling with these. Should do, because this is a fantastically good slow runner. Working lights as well. We got them? We have. So let's just back that up so you can see the loco itself. There she is, my one and only Cheapo. It won't be my last one if I see him cheap enough. I don't normally see him as cheap as that. Yeah, what a runner that is. Smooth, quiet, everything. Right, so let's send this lot away, shall we? We'll catch up with them as they go round. So not a lot wrong with those wagons. Haven't even uncoupled, which is unusual for American stuff, for me. So there you have it. The 3-pack of Walthers hoppers. With lots of extra detailing for 20 quid. What do you think on them? I think that's a bit of a bargain because they look really nice. Yeah, I'm more than happy with them. So thanks for watching. Let us know whether you think 20 quid's good enough for them, and certainly check out Colcheth or Colcheth model railways on eBay. They have a hell of a lot of stuff listed on there. Some of it are very good prices, and a lot of it is auctions, so you can get something good, hopefully. So thanks for watching, see you in the next one, and bye for now.